Eso es diferente. Mic test 1 2 3. Got it. Morning, Morte. Let me see. Morte, good morning, bro. Everybody's still probably loading in. Probably still waking up. Sleepy heads, everybody. All right, what do we have today, Morte? What you got? What you got? I'm gonna scan through these other ones again. Nothing there. Nothing there. Sega ended up coming all the way back up yesterday. Sega doesn't look bad, honestly, so I'm gonna keep that one there. SCLB no, QRTB no, OLB. SFIX. I'm gonna leave an alert on that one. Good morning, Zach. Good morning, the trader. Morte, DRITM. RITM spiked up to a new high overnight, but it's pulled back to that 848 level. So I'll put an alert up here and see if this one wants to have another nice run. Seeing what will pump and dump to short LOL. Made a 120 profit on a bounce from 3.7 to 3.9 on BMRA. That's the only one I see possibly getting a bounce back up for a bit. BMRA, okay. BMRA. This one looks a little too sold off. And it's one of those where it spikes up and then pulled back down and never had another move, so. God, I hate that tiny little place in my window where it just makes that reflection. So this one has to get over VWAP and over this 415, but I'll put an alert and just leave it up there. But number one gapper for me was GOEV. GOV. This is the one that had that news with Walmart the first time. Hold on. It might actually be something with my window can do. I'm trying to test the lights. Hold on. No, it's just the little hole in the windows on the side. It's like right there at my face. So I gotta like scoot up a little bit more. All right, GOEV got more news in this morning. What were the other news this morning? But I do think this stock looked good the first time, even with the news. Like if there's a possible deal with Walmart, right? So we spiked up today to highs of 411, and our all high is $5. It's only $1 away. It's not bad. That's not bad. And then that was number one gapper, so I'm gonna put that one over here. Let's see. Okay, so GOEV. US military selected GOEV for analysis. US military selected GOEV for analysis. Oh. TGA was another gapper today. High of 386. Honestly, this one doesn't look the best. Kind of very choppy. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's not like up, pulls back, up, pulls back, up, pulls back. And then TBPH, this is another one, also doesn't look the best. This one looks probably the worst. Straight up and then down, 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 all the way. So I'll mark the high of 1396, and I'll put an alert somewhere at under $12. If it gets up here, I'll start looking at it, but probably no trades on that one. Same thing with CLNN. And then BMRA is the one that Morte was calling out, which kind of looks similar, honestly. So it just pulls up and then kind of fades away. So honestly, I don't see a lot of action today. GOEV could be the only play. Maybe RYTM can get another play from yesterday. So I'm going to keep RYTM on my side as well again. Maybe SFIX. Let me look at that one again. So SFIX from yesterday as well. So SFIX over $6 and it'll have my attention. So I'll put an alert right there and then put SFIX over here. But honestly, I'm not seeing too much. Oh, you know what I do need to do though? This one guy. By the way, Zach, thanks for applying to that guy. I need to go back on there and post a link. So right here, copy, go back to my Discord. Yeah, I do appreciate everybody in the Discord. Anytime somebody new comes in and they have no idea and they start asking questions, I do appreciate all of you guys helping them. So appreciate it, Zach. And I'm sure a lot of you guys also, but. So, looks like. Am I missing any other stocks, guys, that you guys have? Am I missing anything else? I see GOEV and I see maybe runners from yesterday. So I see maybe RYTM and maybe SFIX. But the other gappers from today that I'm seeing on my scanners don't look that interesting at all. So one of them is TGA. I'll have an alert on it, but doesn't look the best. TBPH looks sold off. CLNN also no, and then BMRA way down here. So also no. Also no, also no, also no. Today, GOEV, SISI, I don't have that one. $1.75. Alert over a 150 at VWAP. So now I have an eye on that one. Good morning, Ape Trace. Good morning, Joey. Morte was in here already. Said good morning to you. I'm getting a scam call from Florida. Dump on GOV. I was hoping it would go up a little more. I'm still kind of long on GOEV. I mean, the first day it didn't really do anything. Zayt, good morning. I was kind of pretty let down the first day that GOEV showed up, because that was the day that I was loaded up for that break and it never happened right here. I was loaded up for this break with like 4,000 shares, and I was up $600 at the top already. And I never took that profit, and it never broke out, so I missed that one. So for sure, there's going to be a lot of shorts in this stock. For sure, there's going to be a lot of shorts in this stock, and then we'll see if we can squeeze them out though. That's the plan. That's the plan. For now, VWAP, it looks like VWAP and $4 is going to try to be our support and resistance now. So we got to get back all the way over $4, which is right there. Can we get Jan in here? Jan? What is Jan? I don't see anything on Jan. Dang, it's funny how a stock just looks like this when there's absolutely no volume being traded. And this is the one, this stock is one that was being traded a lot, like not too long ago. If anything, GeoEV had a very nice bounce right there, right back up to VWAP, right back above VWAP, so that looks decent to me. That looks pretty good. John, good morning, John. Jose, buenos dias. Buenos dias, bro. Buenos dias. What happened to VERU? Oh, actually, VRU also possible setup on VRU. So VRU, we have still the high of 17.5 on VRU. Yesterday, I think. Okay, so yesterday, this is what we were trading, where I was trying to trade it, and then it sold off. But actually, today it is back up to those highs of 1642. So actually, I still like VRU again. VRU could still come in here and get a very nice squeeze from the 16 all the way to 17, 17 and a half. And then FFIE, also another stock that we had recently. So FFIE $6. So FFIE, I'll put an alert right below $6, but $6 yesterday. Look how many times we went over $6. Once, twice, three, four, five, six, 7 times over $6, and none of those did we hold it. None of those we held $6. So on FFIE, if we get over 6 and start holding 6, that one will also get pretty interesting. But VRU looks interesting, and then Sega as well. Sega, I don't know why, but every time I see Sega, I see VRU. So they might be somehow related. But Sega, if it goes over 15 and holds 15, then this one can be good as well, back up to 16, 17. That's the high as well, 17.5. They're both the same high. Wow, they're both exactly the same high. Maybe that's why I see them together all the time too. So Sega has a high of 17.5, and then um, VERU also has a high of 17.5. Alright, guys. We got a little bit under 2 minutes. Well, 2 minutes right now. Looking at GOEV, looking at RYTM for continuation. Same thing as SFIX. Same thing with VRU, which I was just calling, and look at VRU. Back up to 16.4. Oh, it looks like I pulled back. But it's up here. It's up here. VRU 117.5. Especially with yesterday's sell-off at the beginning of market, but completely recovering it all the way down, all the way up to 1640. This one can look good. CGA spike at open. People on YouTube, anybody watching on YouTube already? Good morning, everybody. 35 of you guys there. Today, gonna try to be a little bit not more patient, but be more on the lookout for these bigger, longer time frame setups. I've been studying charts, and every single day, the charts that I've traded, and then maybe finding some of these 5-minute setups, and they've been looking pretty clean and pretty obvious sometimes. But we just need to be able to see them. Odekas and Leo and Trader Dad. Good morning, all three of you. Good morning. Good morning. We just need to be able to see them live and actually trade them in the moment. So I'm going to try to keep an eye on those as well. But I'm going to be looking at VRU probably first. I know GEOV is a gapper, and I know the other ones are gappers, but VRU, I think can do something. So let's go. High 1643, which is actually one of yesterday's spots as well. This one and GOEV, one of these two. Oh, look at Vero. Already with a nice spike. VERU already with a nice spike. Can we hold this spike though? GOEV, already see it pulling back and tanking. Momentum scanner is going to be live now as well for you guys, so keep an eye on that one. Gappers were not the best, so the second they start popping up on that scanner, go ahead and start looking at them and see if any of them have a nice setup. VRU had very nice volume right there at the first minute candle open, and then it kind of pulled back. Eyes on BMRA. Eyes on BMRA. Okay, I got my eyes on BMRA. I got my eyes on BMRA as well. GOEV instant tank out of open, man. Why? I don't even know if this is one where you still try to catch a falling knife and support, or you just leave it alone and let it do its thing and fell again today. But I'm not sure. For GOEV, I still think VRU. Okay. Okay, so there's absolutely nothing. BMRA maybe. Finally on my okay, it looks like BMRA already tried a stab at VWAP. VRU just cracked down. That's not what I wanted to see. Tesla, everything else also pulling back. Buying 376 dip on GOEV for sniper trades. Let me see, 15.9. Oh, 15.9 was just where it bounced on VRU. Yeah, I see it. Did you end up closing your trade yesterday, sniper trades, on VRU because it pulled back down? Did you end up taking a loss on this one? Yeah, 15.9 was the points from yesterday. You're right. But these, I mean, when it sells so aggressively, you might expect a bounce, but not like a bounce to go higher right away, I think. Looking for 420, 459 on GOEV. Yeah, it took a loss. I think Sega could be a nice short today. Sega is also up here, kind of like VERU, at 1750 is a highs. So CLNN, showing up on my momentum scanner, which this is one of those gappers. Maybe this one surprisingly comes out of nowhere, but I mean, everything is tanking. Everything is tanking. QRTB from yesterday. QRTEB. What was QRTB's high yesterday? 847. This one traded very weird today. I mean, yesterday though. That's the only problem. Like this one, oh, I can't zoom out that much. So this one halted like 4 times on the way up, and then it was like halt up, and then instantly looked like it was gonna halt down. Then it pretended like it was gonna halt up. I don't remember where it was. Maybe here. Pretended like it was gonna halt down, but didn't. Then halted up, and it was just weird. So we'll see. We'll see if the volume's on it again, and wants to get back up to that $8.47, $8.40. So we'll see. We'll see. Agaska's trying to short Siga. So okay. RYTM also bouncing off of 8.2. And then VRU also trying to still hold at 15.9. So no trades for me yet. LABD is on momentum scanner. Agaska is short on RYTM. Okay. GOEV is bouncing off of that low. I think Sniper Trades was filled somewhere in the 376-ish area. YSG. GOEV pulling back up. Man, what a boring day. Had my finger on the short for GOEV at 405, but Chicken Dat would have been a great short, yeah. VRU holding that 15.9. GOV still kind of stuck here. RYTM did crack. I saw that, Agaska. So good job on your short, man. Good job again. You've been killing it on the shorts now. You tried the long for a little bit. It seemed like it kind of didn't work out for you, but you are the Dark Lord of shorting. So good job. Andres, GOEB will be nice to short. GOEV. Maybe even if it gets back up to that 3.9. So 3.9 was kind of the level where it broke out to the top side and then kind of bounced, but then flushed right after. So I would think if it goes back to 3.9, a lot of sellers are going to be there. QRTEB, okay. QRTEB has high of 847. Is it trying to get halted? Again, this one's halted. Wow. QRTEB is halted. Anybody in on this one? A-Trace, were you going to jump in on this one? Right before you called it out, did you jump in it? Yeah, I would have hesitated on this one too. I saw it earlier when you guys pointed it out. Sniper Trade still on GOEV, but GOEV kind of does look more like a short. I would not buy this stock until it gets over that 3.9 probably. That's where I think shorts are going to be. So first squeeze happened there, bounce there, and then after that second bounce there, flushed. Zach did get in on QRTV, but he was able to take his profit 50 cents higher though. So that's still a good trade there. Now this one, I mean, this one can gap up and then take 847. And this one can halt down. This one can go another 3-4 halts on the way up. I have no idea. I mean, I have no idea what this is going to do. GLSI had an alert. GLSI shot on alert. I don't know what the high of GLSI is. So we have a high of 2 days ago of 1296, and then 1429 is our high. So this is where it's at right now. This is one of the pivot points from 2 days ago on GLSI. Oh, Ape Chase, I saw him, but I saw him late again, man. I'm sorry, but yeah, they actually did look nice. I like the way the color like scheme is, so it looks pretty cool. So GLSI also popped up, but yeah, pretty cool Ape Chase. How much is it? I don't remember if you told me that. I'm gonna put alerts on QRTB whenever it resumes, so I always put an alert right above it and then right below in case it halts up. I mean, it spawns up or spawns down. At least I will know the second that stock moves. VRU, what a letdown. VRU, what a letdown. RYTM, what a letdown. SFIX hasn't really done anything, so not really a letdown. CLNN climbing. CLNN trying to take that. Is this one that I looked at earlier? TBPH, no. TGA, no. BMRA, never claimed VWAP. CLN trying to claim VWAP. GOAV founding support at 3.7 again. Second bounce down there. VMRA coming back. Is anybody watching on YouTube? I need to make sure that I don't have it on private or something. Not a single message over there. I think I'm about to start maybe next week or something. Either doing like TikTok lives in the middle of the day just for people to come in and ask questions and stuff, or I might start doing like streaming it live on TikTok as well, just to get more people there and then kind of direct them over to Tradecaster. APEN pop. We just a boring morning in the market, yeah. Just answering customer messages that piled up. Awesome, awesome. Some educational, yeah, that too. But I think TikTok, every time, I think I went once live on TikTok and like instantly I was up at like 100 views. Like TikTok just promotes things crazy. And so I was kind of waiting until I'm almost kind of done with my course, but I think I might start doing it soon, whether I'm just trading live and going live on TikTok or just middle of the day, like ask me a stock and I'll take a look at it. So, MR, we can hear GOV got me 2 days ago with the Walmart news, watching to see if it does that again today. Yeah. Still calling out CLNN, which cannot get over this. SCO is on my momentum, but I think this is one that was also the other day, and it's just a slow grinder. Okay. QRTB should be unhalted anytime soon. This halted at 837, and it's 842 now. So it should be coming live now, and if it's a 5-minute halt. But knowing the way this happened yesterday, there it is. There is QRTB. Where is the entry on QRTB? Does it hold this halt level? Does it hold this halt level here? Looking at QRTEB, seeing if it holds this levels here. Nice fade there. Now watch, QRTB is probably gonna fake hold down or hold down. Oh my gosh, there it is. Didn't I say that? Then I say be careful with the stock because it halts up, halts down, goes sideways, goes up, goes down, flies up, jumps off a cliff. I knew something like that. Just because the way it behaved yesterday, I knew to play it safe today. Goss doing well. Okay, Goss. So no trades though, waiting for the right one. Yeah, I haven't taken a single trade either. So if it's a no trade day, then a no trade day. And I am red on the week still, so I will accept the red week and not force any trades today, if that is the case. If that's the case. If that is the case. GLSI could not hold at $13. Man, there's literally nothing right now. Not even like possible setup. BMRA. No, BMRA. I mean, these stocks, for one, I just need them over VWAP. That's the only thing. I need them over VWAP. I need them over VWAP. CLNN, need it over VWAP. Look, it spikes once close to it, no. Spikes twice over it, pulls back down. Spikes 3 times over it, pulls back down. Nothing. RYTM, it looks like now this level here of 820 to 824 will be support. YSG. YSG green. Okay. GOEV is the one that's trying to get back up over VWAP as well. And then that $4.39 actually is going to be a key level. So 3.9 on GOEV will be a nice level. Now this one, I know news might not be the best, but if it starts gaining momentum and it just shoots up and takes sellers out, I'm trading the price, right? I don't care about the news. So we'll see how it behaves here at 3.9. So ideally, I want the break over 3.9 and hold 3.9. Tesla gonna move up to 740 today. Ooh. 425. Yeah, I think if this one starts popping up, if we get back up to that 5 level, from 4 to 5, it might be a nice run from the shorts covering, at least taking some profit, but then they might re-enter at 5. But we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Hi everybody. Hi Juan Trades. Hi, what's up DXB Jamie? How you doing today, man? I mean, I'm getting dust is on my momentum scanner, but nothing there maybe. $24 stock. Breaking highs today. Kind of lower volume, only 40,000 shares. VRU is now using 5.9 as resistance, so that was our previous support, so now it's going to use it as resistance. RYTM, also same thing that I was calling out on RYTM. So RYTM, I said it might pop up back up to that level and then use it as resistance, so it did and pulled back down. If any of these get back up over these key levels and start holding them, I'll start looking for trades. So CLNN here. Okay, now this starts opening up. CLNN. See if it gets a nice fade down of VWAP. Volume does need to pick up on this one though. And see if it wants to open up on CLNN. Honestly, I don't feel that comfortable about it. It did not bounce pretty clean off of that. Now it did. There, all those orders right there went through. GOEV attempting that same level again. Looking at still holding this CLNN play. I'm very tempted to just grab profits here on a choppy day. GOEV trying to get over that 3.9. So this one already, I'm not feeling the best. Why? It already had a big surge of buyers and popped it right back up and never made a higher high already. So I'm going to put a stop loss there, and then if it breaks me out, actually I'm just going to close it. I don't care if it ends up pulling back up. I'll take $100 today. I'll take $100 on a very small day, so. QRTV unhalted, now watch, it might halt up. Which one did you get in on 382? GOEV? Maybe GOEV you got in at 382? CLN, man. It's ridiculous. GOEV, yeah. It's ridiculous. At least it didn't keep going up, so that makes me feel better, but it's ridiculous. I sold, pops up another 10 cents. Let me see, GOV struggling. GOV struggling with VWAP. Not even the 3.9. Just VWAP itself is struggling. Do I know why Goss is uptrending? No. Honestly, I have no idea. Honestly, I have no idea, Alondra. Pies. I honestly have no idea why any of these stocks are trending up. GOEV had news a couple days ago, but I don't know what the news were this time. And honestly, I'm not a big fan of news, so I'm a lazy person, guys. I'm not gonna sit here and look up the news for every single one of these. I'll just trade the price. CLNN was on my momentum. That was the last one, and then HTA, but I don't know what that is. A $30 stock. Bro, what is up with this day, man? What is up with this market? Maybe it's just cooling off and not many short sellers are coming in. Maybe it's just no trade days, not even for sellers. That maybe it'll eventually recover and just buyers come in. BMRI never got over VWAP. CLNN did, but it's not really trying to hold that move. GOEV couldn't hold VWAP there. GME couldn't. I mean, not GME. GOEV. I was trying to practice and try to find some 5-minute setups, but it's got to be a stock that's uptrending. I was trying to practice some 5-minute trades, longer trades, buying some more dips or something. In this market, it seems like we kind of have to adjust. Breakouts are not happening, so I'm making some money on a little bit more pullbacks, but not today, I guess. LABD, what is this stock? BOXD. BOXD's yesterday's high was 225. I'm looking at BOXD right now. This is BOXD. B as in boy, O as in Oscar, X as in. So on this one, what I could see. BOXD, I'm trying to find a place of where to take an entry on here. Maybe the 195 support. And this is because of all of this. So that pre-market today, that's the level that we were watching. So yesterday we even respected that, but today we just flew past it. So maybe it pulls back down to that level. BOXD on BOXD, yes. I've seen Mikey's videos. I was watching them, yeah. Those guys literally, because they flashed so much money and cars on TikTok, instantly got so popular. But I mean, if they really trade all of that and make all that much money, then they're good and they know what they're doing. That's crazy. So, which is why I was kind of looking at the 5 minute flags mostly because of them. But oh nice. CLNN. I don't care if you guys watch somebody else. You guys go and learn and stuff. You guys go get better at trading and just ask me anything you need. About to double top unless it breaks. CLNN is still rising up. What's the next pivot on CLNN? 376, and then we go to highs of 393. Now maybe this one's actually starting to pick up volume. As we start pulling away, and as we start pulling away short. GOEV right back up to VWAP. CLNN trying to open up and really scare short sellers out of here. Seeing if CLNN really wants to open up and start taking some of these short sellers out all the way to a new high. Over 376. So that is that previous pivot on the pre-market. Yeah, that's exactly what I got. So this pivot over here, that's 376. So I'm watching to see if we get over that as well and start opening up. GOEV tried that VWAP again and could not hold it. Looking at the 5 minutes on CLNN, you needed these candles to close high to get this candle up here to close above that, but it's pulling right back down to that 3.6 level. So you need these candles to come pull up, and if you want a 5 minute bull flag, you need these candles here and then the other one's to pull back down to this level and hold that level. Otherwise, this 5-minute candle here will just be a topping tail. There we go, there we go. Sniper Trade's buying 401 on CLNN. CLNN now picking up volume. This is good. There goes up to 376. Can we get that break of 376? There's 376. Broke it a little bit. Spiked up to 377. Kyrian made $300 on CLNN already. Yeah, a lot of sellers trying to defend that 376 there. Good job, Kieran. Good job, good job. This is the one I took earlier and I decided to stop out. I took it right there. See, now this is where I'm saying that 5-minute has closed and a new one has opened. If we find support at 360s, maybe that's the place to start adding in. Kyrian heading out for the day already. Make his money and out. Good job, Kyrian. Here it goes up. It didn't even pull back. It just wants to go. There we go. 376 pop again. Can we break over and hold 376? This looks very overextended though. Even on the 5-minute it looks overextended. Juan Chase, you said, I don't care what happens. I'll take my small $100 win. You're right, you're right, you're right. Agaska shorting CLNN. Ooh. This might get a nice squeeze though. Yeah, Agaska, this one is one where I'd be careful. I'm not saying you're wrong or right. It could turn around. But this is a level, if it breaks through here, it goes straight to $4. Just like that. 393 and $4 break. Buyers really stepping in here now. And sellers also stepping in here. Okay, so about 10 seconds left on this candle. I jumped in with very small share size down here at 374 is where I added. So maybe now we use that 376 as support. Instead of using that 360, 376 will be the support. Terrible close though. Re-added another 500 on this play here. Seeing if out of nowhere a surge of buyers just come in here and takes it right back up to $4. Okay, new high there. Man, there is a lot of sellers here. Every spike gets sold off down there. How is that possible, man? Five seconds left here. You want the buyers to close this candle high. What happened? It froze. What happened? People trying to use that 377 right there. 377, 376 as support. There's that 377, 3 holding as support. But you need one of these candles to now actually squeeze. If you have 3 attempts up here and nothing happens, it doesn't look good. At 377 is where buyers are stepping in. 377, 378. I once again never took profits on those spikes, but seeing if this one still wants to head up to 393, $4. Every spike like that just gets eaten up. Pull back down and I stopped out. But I want to see. No, the 5-minute looks bad. The 5-minute honestly looks pretty bad. Like I was gonna say, I would use this 360 as support on this one, but if you look at the 5 minutes, that's a topping tail way up there. Agaska. Good job, Agaska. Dang, 2 of you guys were shorting. You're the one that took my money. I think the problem with this one is it was so overextended through this whole move. YSG here. Hmm. GOEV still didn't get over VWAP. CL and Juan, what do you use for your momentum scanner? Trade ideas. Trade ideas is what I use. SVRE. SVRE, okay. High of, it looks like 387 was yesterday, 387. SVRE does look pretty good. Wondering if 3.5 will come back down and touch 3.5. If it not, it might just stake off to 387 new high and then $4. Is this a recent IPO also? Just that in itself might attract a lot of buyers. It looks like a recent IPO, right? This one has less than a million float. Let me see. 470,000. That's what I'm showing. Okay, so which one was the stock that we were just looking at though? CLNN. CLNN. Looking to see if it holds this 360. Right? Ideally, I think that the 5-minute setup, you'd want that to not be a topping tail, but you guys see it here maybe? But let's go back to SVRE and see what that one shows. And then I'm going to switch this one for CLNN. CLNN trying to hold at 360 actually. Still trying to hold at 360. Zach, good job remembering that this one had a very small float, so always good. CLNN. So SVRE has expensive shorts. I have 0 trades today, only a couple months, then back to Republicans taking over. RYTM short is a beauty. Good job. Yeah, that CLNN play, it's holding that 3-6, but just the way that 5-minute looks on this one is not the best, right? I think that topping tail is not the best. And for one, that, and then two, I mean, the 90 MA is way down here still. In Manhattan, the average rent was 5,000. Dang. So the only two stocks that I'm watching, CLNN. You're right. I had it up here. I had a steeper one. Are you already in on CLNN, Andres? Did you buy some during this pullbacks here? Yeah, that's ridiculous. You're already out. Okay, okay, okay. I'm looking at this one or SVRE still. SVRE might open up to 387. Ow, my wrist just popped. Good volume here on SVRE. Good volume on SVRE. SVRE, good volume here. Is this one just gonna go like this? SVRE wants to make a play here. I think I might just add on this one for the break of 387, see if it wants it. Got a very high fill though. Break of 4 would be the next thing. Three nine. Can we go all the way up to 4? $391, $393, 1,000 shares left, $395, $4 would be the next level. Okay, I'm gonna hold 500 now. $4 break on SVRE. Riding this stock up. $4 would be the next play. I'm not gonna lie, the way this one ripped up was pretty choppy. It wasn't a clean. It was like. I was watching time and sales on this one. I'm anticipating a break of 4, even though it looks a little. There we go. Break sell on the other side. Instant pop all the way to 414 though, so take a little bit more out. 300 shares left. Opened up more at 411. Okay. Can it keep squeezing people out? 300 shares left. Can it use $4 as support and actually keep this momentum going through here or no? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. Still holding 300 shares on this one. Sellers are putting pressure on this one. Pretty strong. Pretty strong. $4 right there. Nope, $4 not gonna hold the first time. Maybe reclaim to add. Yep. When you see those wicks like that, a lot of people just buy it up just to that reclaim body. So they'll create the wick, but it reclaims that body all the way back up. I'm not saying that this might happen. It did it right away, and that candle popped up immediately. So this, you would need this candle to actually do close and reclaim all the way up to $4. But I mean, it looks heavier now. Just like that. Oh my gosh. There's no way it recovered all of that. 4 seconds left on this candle. CLNN. CLNN does look like a short to me now. It lost that 3.6 level. Took 100 on that double top here of SVRE. And then see if we spike up. I really don't think this one's going to already. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles in a row. Had 1 minute pullback. And then looks pretty overextended to me. CLNN loses VWAP and you're shorting. CLNN already lost that trend line. Already lost the 3.6. So already you could have taken a 3.6 retest on the upside for a short. That's what I think. And then on this one, I might lock up 200 shares left here for $202 profit on that one. So, I mean, a decent trade on probably one of the only clean setups we might have had. So I don't know. I don't know. $200 on this one, decent, but not once. It wants this level down here as support. Juan Trades, how do you know when to wait for dips when candles close above key levels or to buy when it sort of hesitates and keeps going like on SVRE? Where did I jump in on this one? I jumped in at the close of this candle over this level. And I jumped in right there. SVRE also another move maybe 417 at once now. So a reclaim of $4 again might be an ad again on SVRE. SVRE looking strong again. Quick break of highs here, 500 shares. That was a lot of buyers and we could not break that level. 5 seconds left on this candle though. Yeah, I'm stopping out of that one. Lost 60 bucks. I was looking for a quick scalp of high of day, but pulled back and stopped it out because of that. So this might actually keep fading a little bit more. So made 200 and then quickly gave back 60. CLNN though. Now CLNN on, yeah, 350 tap. Even though it's below VWAP though. Hi, how's the trading going? Everything is going against me today. We'll try to break even and call it a day. Okay, okay. Or am I looking at the wrong site? What do you use for momentum scanner? No, no, you're looking at the right site. What do you mean, MR? I saw your message earlier and I answered it. Mersa took some at 350. Okay, okay. Mersa took some at 350 on CLNN. And you do have a pretty strong downtrend on CLNN, so that would be the place to break that. So maybe it pulls back down here, and this is a giant flag. I don't know. But CLNN making a nice, decent bounce off of 350 there. Mercer already taking some off there. Okay, okay. SVRE, still interested if SVRE gets back over 4 and hold 4. SVRE again, interested if this one can hold $4. Johan, where do you get your key levels from? Daily? Mostly just a 1 minute, 5 minute, or if it's highs, just from any daily or a 180 chart. So like on the side on this one, it hit a 417 high, but I knew that this one had a previous high right there of 387, so I kind of just marked that, and this is just a 4-hour chart. CLNN testing that downtrend. And SVRE again. SVRE testing this downtrend here, but it's right below the high of day on SVRE. And CLNN curled right up, right out of that 350, man. I wonder if this momentum here on CLNN wants to continue. So break of downtrend, kind of close above it. So I'll take some ads here on this pullback, maybe, and then see if it wants to keep holding and curl back up. So I'll re-add down there. And then see if buyers wants to step up again just the way they did at 350 and then keep this rally going back up. FFIE Sean alert. Oh, FFIE trying that $6 again. There's the buyers on CLNN. Break of downtrend right there. Bought that first little pullback there. FFIE broke over 6. What is FFIE's high? 6.4. FFIE big spike over $6 now. That's the level that it attempted it like 7 times yesterday. CLNN kind of looks like it died off. It should have, this candle should have ripped a little higher if it wanted to keep squeezing higher. And then SVRE. SVRE trying to use $4 as support. I mean, the subscription, is it worth the 85 for the momentum scanner? It's pretty pricey, I'm not gonna lie. And I have more. That's the way I find my gappers in the mornings and all of that. So I mean, I use it for more than just my momentum scanner. If you don't have anybody that shares them with you, which obviously I do, then obviously I'd say it's worth it. But I always say if you find somebody that shares them, I would not pay it myself. Um, but But you obviously, if you have your own, then you can customize it as much as you want, mess with it, make better picks or something like that, like whatever you like. There's CLNN pop, still in with 1,000 shares on this one. Seeing if we get a nice curl back up all the way to 3.8, 3.8 hold, and then we could see if we get another pop to $4 or try to get $4. 393 is a high, so if we get back up there, $4 would be our next target. Mercer with a fill of 352. How do you still holding? Are you still holding shares, Mercer? CLNN broke downtrend. Now you need to open up. Now you need to rally. Now you need to squeeze. And then SVRE. What do you guys think of SVRE creating a low at 3 right here? 387. I bought Wait a second. That was weird. I'm pretty sure I went back and looked at my CLNN play, and it said I had 500 shares long when I knew I had 1,000, so I sold 100, and then it dropped down to 900. From 500 went up to 900 because I knew I had 1,000, but that was weird. So, let me see. SVRE, looking at a 5-minute chart, trying to hold that VWAP up there, trying to hold this 382, but the 90 MA is pretty low. Jose is out of CLNN already. GOEV. I forgot about GOEV. GOEV back up to that 390 level. I see that. CLN did pull back to that 3.6. SVRE just faded through that level. Oh, GOEV. GOEV spiked over 3.9. GOEV, look at that. See, the second we take 3.9, it's when you see sellers start getting squeezed. $4 is next. GOEV surprise squeeze. Thanks, group. Green and out today. Let's go. Sniper Trades was back holding GOV this whole time. Nice, nice, man. Way to be patient. Sniper Trades, the king of patience. Good job, Sniper Trades. Well, yeah, I guess right. Well, you were down for a little bit, but never panicked and kept holding. $4 is next, but I would like a retest of that 3.9 level. Let's see what candle is this. 326. Watching GOEV, see if it wants to pull back to 3.9 and hold 3.9. Another spike down and I'll get in to that same level. Spike down and I'll buy you. Wow, buyers are stacked right there. There's the spike. There's a spike down, seeing if the same level wants to hold. Look how strong 3.9 is holding. I bought down here, so if it flushes through 3.9, it might pull back pretty aggressively, but a lot of buyers at 3.9. I am looking at time and sales 391. Had a lot of numbers down there. There we go. Perfect dip buy. GOV. Back over. Nice move there. Nice move there. GOEV. GOV is going to hit high of day or high of pre-market. What was the high yesterday? What was the high the other day? Oh, $5. At least pre-market high is $4. Four. Frig, why am I like stressing out? 411. I wish I would have bought more. Dang. I wish I would have bought. Nice. Made some there with you as well. Good job, Mercer. We all make money together, people. At 420 plus. Sniper Trace is still holding this trade. Oh my god, I didn't realize CLNN spiked up and flushed down. So not what I want to see when I'm on a trade on GOEV. Big ol' spike up on CLNN and big flush over there. You guys see it? I did not see that until now. I think GOEV might be running out of gas, but we're still holding $4, and $4 is going to be strong. Maybe this one really opens up and goes back up to, here's $4. This might drop down to $4. $4 is probably going to have some buyers there. There's $4. Instant flush through it, but reclaim wick. That's what I was talking earlier. Instant flush, people buy it up and then reclaim that body all the way up to 4. You need this candle to close above $4. Right there. You need that candle to finish right there, but we still have 30 seconds left on this candle. Dang, CLNN went up to 387. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It spiked up so fast and then pulled back down. Never broke a high. I think it double tapped 393. Or I mean 387. Yeah, double tapped 387. GOEV, very nice flush under 4, recover under 4, and closing high. So this one might have another leg up on this candle here. Just like that. When it pops down like that and reclaims those levels, you might expect the next leg up. Just like this. Watch this. So now I'll happily start unloading at 4-1 for a high of day, high of pre-market. Actually, it's getting stuck here. It needs to get over 408. A lot of buyers stepped up there. Let's see what our level here is. 407. What is the ask sitting at 407? 135. It popped down. I saw it. I saw it take some people out. 407. Now it's down to 28, 25. 104. Now it went up. 197, 89, 34. Popped down again. Getting orders filled through those levels. Taking sellers out. Taking seller orders out. Back down to 407 though. Another nice move up. Now we're holding that 408 as support. Quick spike down right there and held 408. Have 700 shares left on this play. Back down to 407. So 407, that key level there could not hold. It did so much work to get over it, and we cannot support it the first time. Sniper Trades, you're holding this one all the way till 425. You haven't taken any profit? Dang, Sniper Trades, your patience is amazing. I would have sold like half by now. But hey, good job, man. Good job. Blair up $3 on GOEV. GOEV, the only thing is we haven't broken high of day, so that's what I'm waiting for. But this is a bad close. Unlike Sniper Trades, I'm gonna take 200 bucks here as well. Oh my god. Don't look at me, Sniper Trades. Don't look at me. Sniper Trades, don't look at me. Don't say anything, Sniper Trades. I'm about to kick you out of this chat so you don't say anything. Don't say anything to me, Sniper Trades. Don't say anything. Please don't say anything. Please don't say anything. Oh, dear Lord, man. I sold, and it went boom right after that. Okay, I traded GOEV. I traded CLNN. I traded SVRE. 2, 3, about 250, and then 140, 200, about $400 profit today. Way to be patient, Sniper Trades, guys. Listen to Sniper Trades and watch how patient he is, man. A lot to learn. He bought in, for everybody on YouTube, Sniper Trades bought in at this first dip right here. And from the beginning, he said, he bought it right here. He said, I'm holding this till 425 and then 450. But he was red on the trade, not a lot. And then pulled back up and hasn't taken profit. He's still waiting for that trade up here. I looked away from CLNN for 2 seconds and missed the spike to sell. Dang. Yeah, I wasn't watching it. I was watching. By the way, guys, if you're a short seller, when you see that and then a retest, nobody's going to buy that stock. These are the ones that I would chase. Nobody wants to buy that stock after a big rejection like that. Nobody wants to buy those. This is where Agaska comes in and starts putting the pressure on you. So nobody wants to buy those. This will fade. Nobody wants to look at CLNN anymore for the rest of the day. GOEV, man. Está cachondo. Ese tío no es España, está cachondo. FFIE, guys. FFIE, I mentioned $6 all morning long. $6 on FFIE. I even went back and looked at yesterday and said FFIE. You had 7 spikes over $7. You had one attempt to hold it there, but the other one spiked up, flush, spiked up, flush, spiked up, held, rallied, flush, spiked up, flush, spiked up, flush, spiked up, flush, spiked up, flush. $6. Today, FFIE spiked up, came down, held. Right there, FFIE. Vic VP trades up. What is that? 20 something dollars? 27? 27 bucks. Langston, you're stuck in on CLNN. Dang. Honestly, I don't know that CLNN will recover. You can find a low support play and see if it cracks it, you're out. But look at the 5 minutes on CLNN. Big topping tail. Look at this. Terrible topping tail on CLNN. And then that 350 level where you bounced earlier, right there, has already cracked and you're closed way below it on that 5 minute candle. So Blair, alright, I'm walking away up $3. Extremely frustrated with my hesitation today and missing opportunities. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I have serious FOMO. I don't want to do anything stupid. Yeah, good job, man. I will not be here tomorrow, Blair. Remember, I'm not trading tomorrow, unfortunately. GOEV, where's GOEV sitting at now? I made 200. I don't remember where I added on mine, but all I know is I did not add as much as I wanted to. Why is it not showing them? Bro, this is so annoying. There it is. Okay. Oh, I added on that 3.9. Okay, awesome. So good support, good resistance right there, guys, on where I added. And I actually said it also from the very beginning of the day. Right here, I said this was the place where we rallied. Awesome, Sniper Trades. You're also taking out tomorrow. So I mentioned this 3-9 was a level where we rallied higher and then retested 3-9 right there and then tried again, but that's the level we flushed. So in my mind, I know 3-9 is a key level, right? So we spiked up, never held VWAP, flushed back down, spiked up, held VWAP this time, spiked over 3-9, and that right there, look at my entry, 391. Always draw your lines, supports, resistances, guys. Gaska the Dark Lord. I'm watching now. I'm gonna be watching GeoEV to see if it forms a nice flag, and I need you guys to help because I am not the best at 5-minute flags. So Mersa, Ape Trades, Zach, Andres, Sniper Trade, anybody, Joey, Blair, where is going to be the pivot for GeoEV? Are you sharing this garbage with me? I could see that $4 again. Okay, $3.95, $4. There we go. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, I saw it here. So that first spike down there to $4, and then all of these retests here at $4. Kind of same thing as that 3-9, but in the 5 minutes you can see that it's the $4 there. So spikes up, holds $4, rips after $4, holds $4, flushes down through $4. There we go, bro. We all a team here. $4 is where we're all jumping in. I also see the 9 EMA there as well. It's at 397 right now. By the way, let me see. FFIE is still up there, but $4 is right here. Now, if you guys are trading these 5-minute flags, or I guess we're all learning from the other group, right? But I don't know if you guys do it here as well. Do you guys wait for it to hold, or do you guys immediately jump in on that first pullback and instantly take some shares there? Because for example, on CLNN, if you were waiting for that 350 dip, you had one candle, two candles to buy it. That first candle there, 350, the next one 350, instant rip. You had no chance for consolidating, seeing if it holds it, see if it does kind of like this where it pulls down, reclaims it, pulls down, reclaims it, right? I wait 2 green candles on 5 minutes and wait for the first candle. I get in close. I guess you can always do it differently, right? If it, like for example, if this one pulls down to 402 just now. Yeah, I guess you could bump it up there too. But this is not high a day now. This is high a day. But I was gonna say, I guess you could do several of them. Like for example, if it was to pop down to 4, add a small share size, 500, 1,000, whatever it's small for you, 100 if it's that small for you. And then once you make that first minute candle making you high, then you re-add again and stuff like that. I still think we have some consolidation left. The 5-minute volume is quite low. I see it. Did I import my trades so far? No, I did not. I was guessing $400 profit. But I don't know. Wow, $398.10. See, now it's making the flag, but it's actually making it 402, 403, right where Mercer added. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. Bro, I like this. I like this. I think we're all learning a lot from each other. Pretty soon we're all going to be making the big bucks here. There's the close below that 402 though. Right there. So this is going to drop a little bit more. On this candle is going to hold at 402. This is going to have a nice flush down. You think it'll hit VU up on the 1 minute candle way down here, or you think it'll stop at that this pivots here and then recover? Because if it gets down to these levels here, that's where that downtrend's also going to meet. And that will be where the 9 EMA on the 5 minutes will be also. Right there at 397. Is there a reason you're seeking the bull flag on 5 minute rather than a 1 minute? No, I usually trade the 1 minutes. I just wanted to see if I can find some on a 5 minute to find a lower entry. So on the 1 minute, I mean, it's kind of like this could be a little bull flag here, right? So it's kind of harder to see. But if you're looking on the bigger time frames, you might be able to find the bigger bull flag, and maybe it could have been here, right there, right? So pop back up, a little bull flag there, and then you could have entered lower instead of entering that one. You could have entered in here, right? So now I'm wanting to see if this is the pull and here is the bull flag. But buyers are not letting $4 break. There's a nasty flush. Here's where's that 3.9 level where I bought? Oh, it's down there. See, I think that 397 is that pivot there. That seemed like it might have been the play. That seemed like it could have been the play. That $4. We mentioned $4, and the whole time we didn't add. What the frick is this on, man? Skip that. Hey, but this was, I mean, it's not really taken off yet, but we said $4. $4 held. 5 minute flag almost hit the 9 EMA. Didn't quite get down there to the 9 EMA. $402, $403 here. This might be a place to add small as well, and then wait for that curl back up. What's the fees on TD Ameritrade? Um, 0. TD Ameritrade's free. TD Ameritrade's a free commission broker. MR on YouTube. Does that kind of make sense? Did that kind of answer your question? I have to drive another 2.5 hours today again. I hate driving. I want a Tesla so bad, just so I can literally fall asleep when I drive. Does anybody here have a Tesla? Own a Tesla? Nobody owns a Tesla? I want somebody to own a Tesla. Come on. Oh, MR, you have a Tesla? Nice, nice. Do you put it on autopilot and take a nap whenever you're going on long trips? GOEV down here. There's at 397. That 397. This is where I think on the 5 minutes where we are bottoming out. We could flush to this level, but I think this is where we're bottoming out, and that downtrend is meeting right to it as well. So if GOV wants it, it's got to make a move pretty soon. Bradley Rogers, welcome in, welcome in. I am doing okay today. Trading small share size, but still a decent day on a small share size day. So I'm glad with my results today. Currently just bought back in on GOEV. I got in on GOV this time, guys, at 398. I'm anticipating this 397 flush to be the pivot point. There's that 5 minutes right there. I'm waiting to see if that one is the level to turn back around and then get over this 9 EMA on the 1 minute and then start squeezing again, kind of like CLNN did. Now CLNN, you had to catch it at the right time. This could be a pivot point right there, break a downtrend for people to re-enter long right there. So 397 is where I was looking at, and I got in at 398.5. I'm 500 shares though, because I am not used to these setups. I don't trade these setups, so I'm just experimenting here. But so far, I was able to nail that dip right there. I was patient. I was patient. I thought $4 was it. I honestly thought $4 was it. But looking here, this spike down on this candle right there was 398. And I thought maybe just a retest of that level, which is probably where this candle is. That's what it's sensing on that 5 minutes. So pretty happy with that entry. My go-to setup is breakouts, yes. But in this market, nothing's working, so you have to adapt, right? You have to adapt, and nothing is always going to work for 30, 40, 50 years in trading. So always trying to change it up, trying to find new things. But still trading these low-cap penny stocks. But what a nice entry here this time on GOEV. Perfect. I'm going to put a stop loss there. And wow, the second I bought instant green on P&L and instant. That was awesome. See, I'm opening up to new strategies. Today's the first time I think I actually enter on one of these plays like this. And I got the bottom of the stock by a penny. Let's go, Mercer. Still in. I'm still in. Andres, I think, is still in. I was answering your previous question. Oh, you don't have a Tesla. Okay, okay. Rafa CG still in. Zach is still in. Oh my gosh, we're all in this. We're all eating together. Smitty is also in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we're all in. All of us are in. Sniper Trace, of course you're in. Sniper Trace ain't selling. Sniper Trades is the king of diamond hands. Yeah, I might take some out pretty soon too. I have 500 shares, which is not a lot, but I'll take some out at this 4-1, and it's only a fifth of my position. I really wish I jumped in more, but this is what I tell you guys. When you're starting to learn day trading, this is me right now, right? I'm jumping with 500 shares. I'm making $40. You think $40 is going to kill me? No. Is $40 going to make me rich? No. Right? So I'm jumping in very, very small share size to test a strategy. But this is because I'm already a profitable day trader. If you're just a beginner, this is a way you need to take trading, right? You're testing a strategy that you're first trying to pick up and understand trading. Trade something that you can afford to lose. If $30 to lose on a day is a lot, then drop it down, right? Trade $10 a day, trade $5 a day. But oh, I forgot to recover myself. Right, so always trade what you can avoid to. Oh wow, good buy volume there. Good buy volume there. This next pivot here. This stock can keep going. Look at the 5 minutes now. Reclaimed back to that 408. Remember that 407, 408 that I was talking about earlier, where we popped, failed, underneath, failed, popped, held at 407, and then we squeezed, and then 407 held as resistance up here. So it was support right there, and then held as resistance right there. I took a bad habit trade earlier, so now I'm just sitting on my hands. Okay. VicV Trades is now up $24 on the day. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, guys. VicV Trades not trying to make $1,000 today, not trying to be rich, but something that he can handle and be able to trade comfortably to learn the market first. Another pop up. Do my due diligence and take some profit right there. Do my due diligence and lock it in, lock it in. Still have 3/5 of my position open. Did not jump in with a lot of shares. But this right here, to be able to make from 398 to 414, 15 cents a share is what I like. Jose is out of GOEV. Okay, okay. Called it up to 418. What is this high? 418. It'll either double tap or break through this level up here. So come on. Another little leg up. There we go. Another little leg up. There we go. Another little leg up. 418. Double tap 418 or break through 418. Okay, okay, okay. The only bad thing is our next half dollar, whole dollar is 4.5, and that is way up there. That is way up there. Do my due diligence here and take another 100 out at this next spike through 418 if we get it. Right there, 418, sold at 418. This is high of day. This is testing high of day. Spike over 418, hold 418, maybe start really pulling away now. Jose Gomez, 52 on this entry. Nice, nice. 5-minute candles still don't have the best volume. Hoping they would be more. It has this volume. This candle now for me has a little bit better volume. Solid trade, everybody. Yeah, for sure. We all jumped in on that trade. We all made money on that trade. So good job, guys. Good job. A round of applause for all of us. And that is why I always take my profits, right? 418 double tap. Thought it didn't think it would hold. Maybe it would, but left it there. Now, honestly, I might just put my cost basis is 398, so I'm way down here. But maybe $4 holds. Maybe that 410, 408, 407 level holds. So if that level holds, I will get out at 404. So $200. I mean 200 shares. If I was to go all the way back down and stop at a break even, I lose $23. But my stop is above break even, so I will not lose this full $23. But it's not gonna make me much, so I'm gonna leave these here and let them go. Andres, let's go. 600 green, GOV. Let's go, team. Let's go. Awesome job, guys. That was awesome. That was pretty cool how we all jumped in on that. Nailed the bottom. We all did. We all did. Good job, Andres. How many shares did you take on that dip? You got in at 403, I think. How many, yeah, I think 401 is the key level, yeah. 401 and maybe this down here at 408. That's the level we squeezed, held it, and then that's the level we retested right there. How many shares did you take on that dip entry? Address. Oh, 3,000. Sorry, I hadn't seen him. Okay. Sold 500, 500 until 500 at 417. Leo is like shorter turn. Riding EMA on a 1 minute. Yep. Bradley Rogers, nice man. Great consistency. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Tesla's consolidating. Tesla is holding that 700 all day long. It's just been around 700. I jumped in with 500 shares. Barely anything. GOEV, there we go. Look at that. Sniper Trade's taking half out. Sniper Trade's finally out. Finally taking some profit, Sniper Trades. Look at that volume come in. Wow. Joey Chairs, when it's above 9 EMA, it's bullish. Yeah, it's considered to be bullish. Well, yeah, I mean, it's not a clear sign. CLNN also reclaiming VWAP. CLNN waking back up. I see it. Now this 418 is going to hold as support. 418. Look at 418. 418. 40 on the bid. 37 on the bid. 41 on the bid. 418 wants to hold that support. Look at that. 31. Dropped to 31. Dropped down to 8. And then flushed a little bit. Maybe reclaim wick again. Reclaim body. Reclaim body. There it is. Look at that. Reclaim that body back over 418. So every time something like that happens and you're at a strong buyer's point, all they do is scoop up shares under it. All they do is reclaim that body wick. All they do is scoop up shares under it. They're like, oh my god, it's on sale. 418 is a price that is worth. 416, 417, oh my god, it's on sale. I'm going to get on here. So they rebuy that and then pull it back up. Agaska said $5 is a short entry on GOEV. $5 is the all-time high. Not all-time high, but the last 3 days ago high on GOEV. Again, another nice little pop off of that 418 level. So even if you bought there at 418 where I was saying, or even scooped some shares down at 416, you'd be up 8 pennies a share. Maybe new high of day here. Double tap there. I'll do my due diligence and take another 100 out. So now I only have 100 shares left. A fifth of my position left. And honestly, I will put a very stop loss on these at 4 under that level. So that 418 was the pivot there. So I'll put a stop loss at 416 and then wait these 100 shares out. And that's how we all make money together. That's how we all make money together, boys. That's how we all, as a team, collectively make money together. That is how we all nail the perfect dip entry and we all make money. Honestly, obviously I'm not charging for this, but there's nothing that's going to make me more happier, even than the money, than to know that I'm calling out and we're all calling out trades together where we all make money together. That right there is awesome. That right there is awesome. For me to jump in on a trade like that and all of you guys back it up and say, yep, this is what we also see, and we all jump in on it and we all make money, it doesn't get better than that. It does not get better than that. Hopefully you guys are learning too. Hopefully you guys are picking it up. Hopefully you guys are learning where I'm buying, where I'm selling, how these stocks are moving, right? I mean, I mentioned the 4847. These are the levels that I think are important. The 4847, right? So 4847 up here. I thought that was a key level on the way up. This was a dip, yeah. But after that, if you missed those dips, this was a key level. Flush below it, pick up shares, reclaim it, buy it back up. This level here of 411 as well. That from pre-market right there. All of those candles there. And then all of these right there. Pulled up, try to hold it. Stayed below it right there. Pulls right back down to that level. Pulls right back down to the 90 EMA. Here is your second entry. And that is why that candle squeezed, right? Why did that candle squeeze? Because this had a nice pullback down to the 90 EMA from here all the way there and pulled right back up. There we go. That's why. The trader, great call, Hunt. We all did it. We all did it. It's not me by myself. It's not a one-man show, man. I'm giving you all of you guys credit as well. Zach, Mersa, they had $3.95, $4. Andres had $4. I had $3.97, but I jumped in early at $3.98. We all called it. We all called it. CL and Nan did give some life back. GOEV is still going. Anybody still have shares besides Sniper Trades? MR on YouTube took that trade as well. He got in at 404 and sold at 418. Nice job. I wish I would have taken it with bigger share size. I wish I would have taken a bigger share size. Oh, look at that. Andres re-entered that trade at 418. Nice. Why 418? That was the high of day. Look at the 5-minute candles. 5-minute chart. Was our entry not the perfect entry? Right there. Was this not our perfect entry right there? With everything dropping today, do you think GOV will turn into a nice short? The closer we get to 5, the less short I think. Because 5 is going to be Isaiah de Herrera is also still in on GOEV. He's still in over there on YouTube. $5. Why am I saying $5? $5. Not yes. Sorry guys, I just got the hiccups. Not yesterday, but day before, right? This is the first time I tried trading it. $5 held to the penny. So right now we're sitting at right here 426.27, I think. Yeah. Um, Another 90 green on GOV. Nice, nice. Way to drop your share size, man. Way to drop your share size on smaller, riskier plays. Good job, Andres. Um, $5. If the closer we get to $5, the the more potential squeeze, because all of those people are short, right? The people that are short at $5 either took profit down at 3.5, 3.4, but the people that didn't take profit, they have their short entry up here, right? How do you think they feel the closer it gets to 5? They're like, should I just lock in my profit before I go red? Should I just lock in my few dollars now before it actually goes red on me? Should I? What do I do? What do I do? Right? They're panicking. Oh my gosh, sniper trade. Oh my gosh, sniper trade. Sniper trade in here and just Sniper Trades just came in here and said, all of you guys shut up, man. Add Juan's profit, add Andres' profit, add Merce's profit, add Zach's profit, add Blair's profit, add them all together. And that is what I'm making today. That's what Sniper Trade said. That's what Sniper Trade said right there. Everybody gave him a little fire emoji for being so patient on this trade. Everybody go give Sniper Trades a little fire emoji on his little comment. Up $1,800 today. There you go. There you go. Sniper Trades, you deserve it, man. Andres, I love that. I love that. We are all snipers here. Sniper gang. Clutch trades, patiently waiting for that reversal. Vic said, hey, don't Sniper Trades, don't forget to add my $28 on there. Don't forget to add my $28 in there to add it up to yours combined profit. Active trader, the biggest problem with GOV is a 127 million float. 127 million float, okay, that's big, but we still find the perfect entry to at least find a dip. We all got in on this play right there. No, I know that's huge. I know that's huge. It's teamwork, for sure. We're all here. We're all here as a teamwork. We all make money as a teamwork. So I'll lock it all at 428.26 stop loss. 426. Okay. Why is he picking 426? Right here. 3 flat top at 428. Retested 428. Retested 428. And then started shooting. So you know what, Sniper Trades? I will join you and lock it up with $300 profit if it pulls back down. Hopefully, I think. I wish I would have jumped in bigger. I only took, I think, 500 shares through this whole move there. But still decent old resistance, new support. Good job. Good job, Active Trader. The best team here. Let's keep growing. Yes, yes, yes. All out of GOV was down 55 on the day. Now only down 4 cents. John. Oh, John. What a comeback, John. Good job. Isaiah, have you sold yet? Isaiah is over there on YouTube. He said he was still holding some shares. If it touches for, what is my stop? I am fully out. $301.92 on GOEV. So now if I go back and import my trades, I think I'll call it a day for today, but now I probably should be up closer to 500 on the day, I believe. Oh wait. Okay, I was like, yeah, that doesn't make sense. It said 398. Nope. Sniper Trades is fully out. What's your total profit, Sniper Trades? Give us a number. Give us a number. Give us a number. Flex it on us. Flex it. Oh my god, I was still holding 1,200 shares. What's your cost basis, Isaiah? Good job, Isaiah. Good job, man. I'd say he's probably up in the 2K, I think, on that trade. Oh, never mind. 3,500. You make me choke on my water, Sniper Trades. You're making me choke on my water. Starting your mini vacation strong? You mean starting your mini vacation paid off? Isaiah on YouTube, he's up 2,100 as well on GOEV. That's what I like to see. Now let's see. Let me see what my entry was. Look at these perfect trading. Bought, sold, 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 sold. Bought, sold, 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 sold. Perfect entries. Go suck it, Sniper. Juan Trades, how do you do today? I'm not flashing the big numbers like Sniper Trades or Isaiah. I am not flashing the big numbers, but 500 on the day. 500 on the day. I'm okay with that. CL and N. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna protect these 500 bucks. But $500 with only 19,000 shares traded. I traded small share size. I just was able to ride them up. So a lot of you guys know that I am a breakout trader. I am a big, strong breakout trader, buy high, sell higher. But recently, nothing is really breaking out. Like, I mean, maybe on here, let me erase it so you guys can see. I probably would have taken a big share position for the break of here, a big share for the break of there, maybe for the break of there, and then maybe for that break here. Right, so break there, take some share, break there, take some shares, break here, break there. But I mean, it's breaking out 5 cents. It's breaking out 3 cents. It's breaking out 5 cents. It's breaking out 4 cents. Right? That was your trade. Let's check out Smitty's trade. Also added at the same play. Oh wait, no. Yeah, also added at that $4. Good job. Good job, Smitty. That's where we all added in, man. What was I saying? But in this market, we haven't really gotten strong breakouts where you break out and then squeeze. Like this could be a better kind of a squeeze moment here, where you break out one pullback, break, 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 two pullbacks, break, 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 squeeze. Right. So if you jump in on these here, the only thing is these moves are the ones I like to see above high of day. So above this level, that's where you like to see them squeeze. This one squeezed because all the shorts that are trying to short at VWAP here, so it squeezed them out of there. But this is kind of my style of trading. But recently, I've been trying to find better dips. How long have you been trading, man? Sniper Trades, they're asking you a question. CLNN broke down trend 1 to 378. HTGM ripping. Dang, you took 6,500 shares? That's a lot more than you usually take, right, Sniper Trades? That's a lot more than you usually take, right? Is that a lot more than you usually trade? So, I was saying, instead of buying all these breakouts that are not really happening, like, I would have taken this high of day breakout here and gotten 4 cents. I'm trying to find better plays to buy lower and to buy the dips. I use Webull for longing, and I'm wondering if there's that same feature I can put on my chart to see all my entries and exits. Anyone know? I don't know. Ask maybe Mersa. So Mersa calling you help. Mersa, I think Mersa uses Webull. I don't think anybody. Maybe some of the people do, but I'm not sure. So I did jump in on this one at that dip entry right on this red candle. I mean, I bought the perfect dip on that one. Okay. And Sniper Trades, you're also trying more dip plays too, right? Because you usually buy the high, so you're also trying new things, open to new things. So, right? Am I right? I'm not making stuff up, right? Sniper Trades. I think Sniper Trades is also the guy that, yeah. So Sniper Trades also, guys. It doesn't matter how good you are here. We're all here to learn and learn new strategies and learn new things because that's what the stock market is. So Sniper Trades is one that usually takes the trades high a day as well, kind of like me. So instead of buying down here, he would have taken a trade, maybe break of 4, 401 right here. That's where you would have taken it and taken profit there, and then maybe would have retried it there and break up here. Oh frick, my usual random zoom in out of the day, right? There it is. But this time he tried a dip entry down there. Another thing, guys, that I did see is this 3.5. Wait, was it this stock that I saw it? Yeah, this 372 level. So I'm gonna do. How should I do this? Can I zoom out? I can do a 5-minute chart and show you guys. Okay. 372. Actually, I'm gonna do this. CLNN, high of day. That 387 is high of day. Double tap CLNN. I was gonna show it on the daily. I was trying to show it on the daily on GOEV. GOEV. If you look on the daily chart on GOEV, look at all these spikes right here. This triple top. If I draw a line right there, look at the price axis. 373 is that line. If I look at today's chart, where's 373 at? Right there. I see CLNN. I see it. I see it. I'm going to protect my 500. I'm being disciplined already. I'm being a disciplined trader today. I'm going to protect my profit. I see CLNN and I see FFIE still held at $6 on FFIE. John just called it out. Yep. Jeez, I just wrote CLNN down 500, averaging in and ending up $100 green. That was a rough ride. Not doing that again. Yeah, Langston, don't do that. Don't do that, man. I'm glad you came out with some profit, but those are the ones that will wipe your account when you're back holding and just praying, hoping that it turns around, right? Andres, did you jump in on CLNN this time again? Oh, by the way, before everybody heads out, because I know a lot of you end up heading out before I end up heading out. I am not streaming tomorrow. I am not trading at all tomorrow. So tomorrow I am and again at 377. Oh, you jumped in on CLNN down here? Wow, good job. There you go, Leo. Sniper Trades answer your question. Okay, Andres, I'm sorry. Don't yell at me when I told you. Sorry, man. Sorry. Smitty, peace out. I'm off to go work. Yeah, I am not trading tomorrow, guys. I got a funeral to go to, so I have to drive. I have to actually drive today. Andres, chill, man. Chill. Don't be mad at me. Mersa, are you in here? Mersa. Mersa, come to the front desk, please. Mersa, come to the front desk, please. Thank you. Marcia, did you see that question? I don't know if you answered it. Present, like that video. That question about showing your trades on Webull. I don't know if you answered it or not. A lot of times it's hard for me to keep track of the chat, guys, especially with how active you are. So you guys appreciate. Okay, you did. You can't show orders on a chart. Oh, okay. Dang, I didn't know that. And I will say, who was asking that question? John. I will say that the orders showing on Thinkorswim are not the best, because when you show the orders on Thinkorswim, it makes it look like you're the best day trader ever and you make money on all of them, right? Because it doesn't matter where you bought or where you sold, the greens are always below and the reds are always going to be above. So did I take any red trades today? No, I didn't. I can't show you. Whoops. Sorry, man. I can't show you a red example. I'm just too good like that. Just kidding. CLNN, I should have. There's some trades that I probably took red that I lost money. So here, watch. If you quickly look at this, you're like, oh, he bought there, sold there, bought there, sold there, bought there, sold there, right? So it makes it look like I made money. It makes it look like every single trade I nailed it. But if you look at the numbers, then you'll know that maybe I didn't. So on this one, 338 to 342, okay, I made money here, right here. Here's an example of a loss. But on Thinkorswim, it doesn't visually it doesn't make it look like a loss. So every time somebody shows you something, just know that on Thinkorswim. Here it says I bought it 374, 377, but I sold it 372. So I bought actually higher. I bought here, and I sold down here. So instead of putting it at 377 up here and sold there, it puts it here and puts it there, right? Because I know some people, Smitty, I think it was Smitty. Smitty showed his trade, and the people that have Dash Trader or those other brokers like that, they actually do show GeoEV ripping again. Oh my gosh, GeoEV. They actually show the trades with arrows pointing up or down, and it actually puts it where you buy it. So on those, it would actually show it like in the actual candle where the price, like if I bought there, it would show it there. If I sold there, it showed there. If I sold down here, it showed there. If I bought there and sold here, it would show it like that. It's kind of quick explaining. It's not a big deal. GeoAV, very nice rip. Guys, we missed it. We missed a 5-minute on GeoEV. Oh my gosh, Mercer just said it too. We missed it. We missed it. Perfect, another perfect 5-minute flag on GeoEV, and we missed it. Whoa, Mercer and I are sidekicks. Bro, guys, we missed it. Look at this perfect. Okay, let me take some levels out so you guys can see it. Alright, so we did this pull with this flag, and we bought this support. I mean, we nailed that support. I do see CLNN flagging as well in the 1 minute. But we nailed this one, right? Next, pull up, flat top, pulls down, and then right here is that previous support of right there of 4-2. 4-2. Where is that line up on the 1 minute? It is right here. Even this low of 418, but 4-2 right there. Look at this perfect flag. This right here is your support. This right here is your pull. And this right here is your flag. And now squeeze is on. And now the squeeze is on. Dang, we missed that second one, guys. Dang, we missed that second one, but we're okay. We're not gonna catch 100% of the trades that we see, right? Ever. It's always gonna happen. We're always gonna leave money on the table. But these, hopefully, is showing you guys what we see and what we were looking for. So that was a perfect second entry. Perfect second entry. We're not gonna get every single trade. Can't be upset about them, but learn from them, right? Perfect here, bull flag there. Second one, perfect there, bull flag, rally back up. And if you look at the 5 minutes, it's even perfect, guys. Volume on the green candles, strong volume. Red candles, look at that drop of volume. Green candle, back up. So perfect play there. But I think I'm going to call it there. I'm locking in 400. What was it? Isaiah, don't tell me you're still holding, Isaiah. Isaiah wants to run for sniper's money. Isaiah wants to run for sniper's money. Jesus, love trading. Sniper trades. We love trading. We love you being a part of this chat, man. We all love trading, and we all love you being a part of this chat. Langston, probably not. No. I would never ever recommend you to buy a stock being so low below VWAP. Or even find patterns. I would not. I mean, you could say this is kind of like a falling wedge. and falling wedges tend to break up, so maybe, but the volume is not there. I mean, look at these candles. They have 5,000 volume, 13,000 volume, 4,000 volume. Like, that is nothing. Nobody's trading the stock. I think this one I also gave profits back on. This stock I was up 200 and something bucks. Somewhere in here, and then I started giving profit back up there. I'm not profitable trading yet, but I love trading. Hey, there's a lot of people that, like I said, treat it like a hobby, man. Treat it like a hobby. You go play golf, you go play tennis, you're spending money, right? And what is it for? For you to play golf, for you to play tennis, because you enjoy it. Just put a very small amount. Lose 50 bucks a month, right? 50 bucks a month is cheaper than a bucket of balls to play golf. But if this is what you like and this is what you want to do and you like this hobby, treat it as a hobby. Spend 50, 100 bucks a month, but that is your expenses of golf balls, of golf clubs, of golf gloves, of a course, of a golf cart renting, right? That is exactly what this is. Treat it like that, and then the good thing is, unless you become a professional golfer and make money doing that, you can't make really money, right? You're going to go pay clubs, you're going to go pay driving range, you're going to play courses, and then not really have the chance to make your money back. And trading, the more you do this, the more you treat it like a hobby at first, the more you spend your money, spend your time, the bigger the chances in a year, 2 years, 3 years, this could actually pay you. And now it's not a hobby. Now it's a side hustle. Now it's not a side hustle. Now it's a full-time job. Now it's not a full-time job. Now it's your retiring money, right? It's possible to make money in the stock market, guys. Especially if you take your time, if you're patient, and all of that. So don't treat it like, oh my gosh, I'm quitting my job now. I'm going to be a millionaire. I'm going to drive Lamborghinis. No, treat it like your hobby at first. Then make some money. Then be consistent. Learn from it. And just enjoy it. Just learn from it. Don't let emotions get in the way of it. And then just keep trading. Keep trading. Keep trading. Learn it. Learn it. It clicks in. Trust me. It clicks in. I'm so scared of getting a job because I feel like it will drive me away from trading. Lazy trader, I have made $40 on my small account on CLLN. Thank you to you, brother. Hey, appreciate it. Thank you for being here, man. Thank you for being here. I'm more proud. I'm more happy that you guys are here watching and enjoy and learning and making money. So, GOEV again. GOEV again. GOEV does not want to stop. There could have been a third flag right there on GOEV, but this one would have been riskier, right? This one would have been a tiny bit riskier. So that pivot point at 433, you could have gone some shares there, 433 there, backed it up, and then reclaimed it. But for one, it's kind of extended over that 9 EMA. So right here, look at that gap there, as opposed to this gap right here where it shot up, right? As opposed to this one right here where it shot up. That was our entry at the 9 EMA. This one, a little bit of gap. This one, bigger of a gap. So the higher it goes, the more extended it goes, the riskier it gets. I'm learning to trade these a little bit better, but I know from experience. If you were to keep trading this move, here, let's just talk about perspective. Here, you take 1,000 shares for that trade. Here, you take 500 shares for that trade. Here, you take 250 shares for that trade. Whatever you do, but you drop the share size, because the more extended, the riskier. And this tells you it. Look at these candles compared to the 9 EMA. Pulls back to it. Under EMA, rallies. Pulls back, doesn't even touch EMA, rallies. Pulls back, extended over the 9 EMA, doesn't even touch it, and rallies. So it's getting riskier. It's getting riskier. YSB, you bitch. What happened? Yeah, Vic, that's also another thing. Look for a part-time job in the afternoon, man. That's what I used to do at first. I traded all the way up to 10:30ish. Traded 2 hours, and then I would head out. So usually I'd be done trading. Wait, no, I would go into work. Did I go into work at 10 or 11? I don't remember what time I would go into work. I think 11. Maybe 10. I don't know. I'm going to head out for the rest of the day, guys. No trading tomorrow. Again, a reminder, I got a funeral to go to. I have to drive today, so no trading tomorrow. But I will be back on Monday ready for a new, fresh start of the week. But, yeah, Zamboni. What's up, Zamboni? And trade wisely tomorrow, guys. I won't be here. My Discord is open. If you want to go, all of you guys want to go chat there, you can go and do that on the Discord. I think you could still chat on my Tradecaster, even though I'm not live. I think you just go down to it and click it, and then you can chat there if you guys want to. If you guys want to keep talking to each other, which I encourage you guys. Obviously, I'm not the main what do you say, main attention here. We're all equal, we're all traders, we're all here to make money together. So if you guys want to come in here as well, you guys can DM each other and all that stuff, so you guys come back here and trade with yourselves. Why wouldn't you be here tomorrow? I have a funeral to go to. Good day trading, Zamboni. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Are you still on vacation? You're on vacation, right? And then Sniper Trade's going on vacation now. Yeah, I got a funeral to go to. Hasta lunes, John. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it was my wife's grandma, her last grandma. But she lived a very long life. I think she was 90 something. But all right, guys, y'all have a good day. Y'all have a good rest of your day. If you're in profits, protect it. If you're red, don't make it bigger. Tomorrow, play it safe. Friday, maybe lower volume. But we're seeing that some of these stocks, even though they're not ripping, maybe GOEV is, but they're still stair-stepping, giving you chances to take trades. So this is good. This is good. GOEV might still hit that $5, guys. But yeah. Be careful, guys. It's getting overextended. Be careful. Let it pull back. Let it pull back and see if it wants to find support somewhere else and then re-rally. Or maybe let it pull back and consolidate and then put that pressure on the shorts right before market close. Let it consolidate and then put that pressure on shorts to power hour and then rally to $5. So I'm going to leave that there and see if that happens. But I'm going to head out for the rest of the day. You guys have a good one, and I will see you guys Monday. Y'all be safe tomorrow, and be safe during the weekend. So y'all have a good weekend, guys. Yeah, and if you guys want to keep chatting, go on my Discord. My Discord. Andres is always in there. Merch is always in there chatting the rest of the day. Power Hour, Merch is always in there, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are also in there watching. So y'all go do that. Isaiah, appreciate it. What's your Discord? Let me post it. There is my there is my Discord. Oh my gosh, I'm about to head out, and all the Sean people are coming in here. All of Deckmarks people are coming in here, I think. How's everybody doing? Is that what this is? That what's happening? Is that what's happening? Everybody making money on GOEV, or what's going on? Oh my gosh. It always happens, man. Like, I literally was about to click the end stream until you asked the question to see what my Discord was. So I started typing, and I look back, and all I see is ow, or whatever he does. It's not like it jumped a lot, but when I see www, I know that that's his people coming over. So Paulinius Penny, it's okay, PA. What's up? What's up, Paulinius? How'd you do today? How did everybody on Sean's chat do today? Did y'all make some money together? Because because I know we killed it over here. We all jumped in. Perfect dip buys GOEV, and we all rode them all the way back up. Hey, Juan, what time do you start? 15 minutes before market open. 15 minutes before market open. $50 gain, nothing great. We all ate money here. We all made GOEV. I'll show you my trades right here. Sniper Trades is gone for the day. He made $3,500. Andres is up probably over $1,000. Isaiah on YouTube is up $2,100, and I think he's still holding. But look at these perfect dips right here. We all destroyed it. We all called it out. $4, $3.97. I had a fill of $3.98. Rode it all the way back up, fully out of this. Missed the second leg, but calling it a day for me. But yeah, caught the spike on SVR. I also traded SVRE, so I made 300 on this one. SVRE, I caught the spike up here. I think I took one good trade and then I lost, gave some money back. So I think on this trade I was up 200 and something dollars, and then I think I gave back $70, $80 right off the top right there. Quick little loss there, cut it out, but good thing I did, otherwise I would have been back holding. So $140 on this one. Sean after hours, what is that? Hey guys, but I appreciate all you guys coming in here, guys. Any questions you guys have, I'm always here in the morning streaming. Anything you guys need, come in here and ask me. So appreciate you guys coming in here now. Usually this is the time I stopped streaming. I trade about the first 2-3 hours of the market, and then I'm usually done. So I was literally about to click the end stream when somebody asked me, Baba dip and rip, how did you set up a stop loss through the active trader, Juan? Oh, just click anywhere. So when you have a trade open, you have to have a trade open. When you have a trade open, obviously you're on the long side, so you'd have to sell. But if, for example, the price of the stock is 306 and you want to put a stop below that, you go down below and you can see right there at the top right, it says sell 500 stop, right? But if I have the trade open, it'll put a stop loss there. So anywhere you click it, if you click it on the right side below that price, it'll be a stop. Good question, good question. So that's what I do because it's the fastest way, man. I just jump in on a trade. At some point when I'm ready to just put a stop loss, I'll just click the amount of shares that I want, or click this to get to the quantity that I need, and then instantly just go down there and put stop, and it'll put that stop in place. Yeah, good question, good question. Any other questions, guys? I was going to head out. I appreciate you guys coming in here, but I'm not trading anymore for the rest of the day, so I'm not going to sit here and just talk to you guys, and I also have a drive to make today because I am not trading tomorrow. But appreciate you guys coming in here. Like I said, I stream every morning. Tomorrow is just a one-time thing. I got a funeral to go to, so I won't be here. I am new. What scanner is that? This is Trade Ideas. What's your average size you trade? Today I traded small share size and still made over 500 bucks. Usually I trade 25, 5,000, 10,000 shares, but recently I've been trading smaller share size because nothing is working and I'm protecting my loss. I'm staying break-even trader, positive trader, maybe small loss trader for now during this market until we start seeing action again like GOEV. This is the action that we want to see, right? But yeah, I'm going to head out, guys. All of you guys that came in here, appreciate you doing that. If you do want to watch the trade live with me and stuff, I do go live 15 minutes before market open. I know you guys are watching Sean as well, so I'm not going to steal you guys from him. But any questions, I'm always here for y'all to help. So with that being said, guys, I will head out. Not trading tomorrow. Y'all have a good weekend. Y'all have a good day tomorrow, and I will see you guys back on Monday. So y'all have a good weekend.